Breaking news coming in of actor Saif Ali Khan, who has finally been discharged after 6 days of being at the Lilavati hospital. He suffered multiple injuries in a scuffle that broke out at his residence on early Thursday morning at about 2:30 in the morning. He was rushed to the hospital. Do remember he took an auto rickshaw along with his younger son Taimur, and he reached the hospital at about 3 in the morning. It was at about 5:30 in the morning that his surgeries started. It was the first neurosurgery, followed by plastic surgery that needed to be performed on his neck and his arm. But it was, of course, the wound that he sustained in his back very close to his spinal cord, which was of concern because that was the wound that was deeper than the other injuries that he sustained. He had, do remember, 6 injuries in all. So it was the leakage of the spinal cord fluid that needed to be fixed, and of course also plastic surgery that was done on his arm and his neck. So 6 injuries in all, but finally the actor has been discharged, and of course his wife Kareena Kapoor Khan along with him. We have Abira joining us from right outside the Lilavati hospital. Well, Abira, take us through, this. Finally the actor has been discharged. Of course he's been doing really well. That's what the doctors have been saying. We were expecting that he would get discharged perhaps sooner, because initially the doctors did suggest it would take about 2 to 3 days, but all in all, 1 week of bed rest is what was advised by the doctors to the actor. And now finally after 6 days he gets to go home.
He's still inside. He has formalities are still on, and Kareena has just left the hospital. He's still inside, and Sarah has left the hospital, but we know that his mother is still inside. He has not left the hospital yet. It is being said that there are few more formalities that are left, so we are still waiting for him to come out. But right now, we just saw Kareena Kapoor Khan leaving with her security. We have seen few bodyguards still standing inside. The security has been, of course, heightened inside. There are a lot of police personnel standing there, waiting for that moment when Saif Ali Khan will step out. We don't know if he will be waving at the fans or the people who are all standing outside. There are fans, there's media standing outside, but we know that for a fact that in some time, any time now, he will be expected to come out with his mother and leave home. It is being said that he is going to Fortune Heights, but there have been no such confirmation from his team or his family. Fortune Heights is the house that is in the same lane as Sadhguru, just like 500 meters away from the house, Sadhguru, and that was their old house where they used to live there, and later they shifted to Sadhguru. So it is being said that right now, after he gets discharged, he'll be taken to Fortune Heights.
Right, so of course, perhaps he's not, of course, going to the residence where the scuffle broke out, his official residence. Perhaps another residence that, Saif and Kareena own is where they will be going to. Remember that it is still under investigation, and today is the day when the Mumbai police took the attacker to recreate the crime scene back at the Sadhguru Sharan building. That is where the scuffle that broke out at the actor's residence. So they did take the attacker at about 5:30 in the morning in order to recreate the crime scene. They also, after that, took him to the Bandra railway station. Do remember he was seen outside the Bandra railway station as well. So they did recreate the scene. 19 fingerprints of the attacker have now been obtained by the police in this particular case. And of course, many questions being asked as to how did he manage to get inside. From what we are hearing really from sources is that he managed to, get inside from the bathroom window from where he entered and exited. There was a duct shaft, and then he also used a ladder in order to enter the building from the duct. And those are those details that are perhaps emerging from sources. And of course, the Mumbai police are yet to make a statement in regard to what really happened in order to connect the dots, and that is what they are doing at the moment. Do remember that the police has 5 days custody of the attacker. Those visuals on your screen of Kareena Kapoor Khan, who has just left the Lilavati hospital just minutes ago, and now within minutes from now, it will be the actor Saif Ali Khan who is inside Lilavati hospital at this moment, along with his mother Sharmila Tagore, will be leaving the Lilavati hospital after spending 6 days in Lilavati hospital. Do remember, it was the wee hours of Thursday morning when he reached the Lilavati hospital in an auto rickshaw along with his son Taimur, and that is at about 3 o'clock in the morning. The scuffle that broke out at about 2:30 in the morning at his residence when he was trying to pacify this man who had broken into their residence. Do remember, it was a nanny who got suspicious of a shadow when she did check upon who really it was. At first she did think it was perhaps Kareena Kapoor who was checking in on her children. This was a room where the children were sleeping and there were nannies sleeping as well.